mampopozi Eunye wam Elele uyashaza namhlanje Ulinje Wena manya uza Suba nomona Yena wamuthatile Bengingazi Yombona umakoti Unyana wam Ujongile this time Mahatile Uzezo sezi Uzemshadwe Nathatisa namhlanje Baby sweet Unyana wami let's go Baby sweet Angeke ayithathe kulinje Ulinjela Emampopozi Eunye wami Elele uyashaza Ulinje Wena manya uza Suba nomona Yena wamuthatile Bengingazi Yombona umakoti Unyana wami Ujongile this time Mahatile Uzezo sezi Uzemshadwe Nathatisa namhlanje Baby sweet Unyana wami let's go Baby sweet Angeke ayithathe kulinje Ulinjela Emampopozi Ulinjela Yelumona Ulinjela Emampopozi Ulinjela Yelumona Wena mangopete Unomona Ngoba unanyana Unentokoza Yoyoyo mangopete Unomona Unyana wami Bengingazi Yombona umakoti Unyana wami Ujongile this time Mahatile Uzezo sezi Uzemshadwe Nathatisa namhlanje Baby sweet Unyana wami let's go Baby sweet Angeke ayithathe kulinje Ulinjela Emampopozi
Songibona ngifika kini Italy ngizoletha imali yamalobolo uzongibona ngifika kini Italy ngizoletha imali yamalobolo ngilungisile inkomo ngibatshelile abadala sengikhulile sengifuna ukuyolobola ngilungisile inkomo ngibatshelile abadala sengikhulile mina ngifuna ukuyolobola ngivumele ngifike nabakithi kini kuzokhulunywa le ndaba yami nawe abakithi ngibatshelile nawe salubatshela sizokhuluma indaba yami nawe abazali bami ngibatshelile nawe tshela bakho sizokhuluma indaba yami nawe ngiyeza kini uzongibona ngifika kini Italy ngizoletha imali yamalobolo uzongibona ngifika kini Italy ngizoletha imali yamalobolo ngilungisile inkomo ngibatshelile abadala sengikhulile sengifuna ukuyolobola ngilungisile inkomo ngibatshelile abadala sengikhulile sengifuna ukuyolobola sesifikile isikhathi sokuyisa i-relationship to another level.
Bona, na fela ha ba re wi. O be mo. Ke etsa ka sa mo. Bona, ke tla be ke kitima so. Ke le be gore ke na le 62 years. Ka o mabo ka wena.
Yeah, you can drive to my side.
Baby girl. Go boy. Le tshetse la motlholo. Le go ka kwata. How do you parole wa? Ba parole mothagola ke. O ba bona. Ene le yena ha go dila ska ba igoga I. A re ga re tlhaga na fela ha to mai ho. O be mo. Samboka. Nna ke tsena ke bolele. Ha ke le khathane. That was ni dani. Ha ke ke le le ba ratana. A se belief. Aska ba ho. E ke ya le na ba be do ya pa.
Abathabi.
Ke se ka go sena
Le mumakopo di kubongwe. Amale la mate. Le mumakopo
Tandana Bazamilu sohlukanisa Uhluleka Abaphansi bavumile Ukuba sifanelene Thina sobabini Masikunye iyajabula Jabula Sonwabile Siyathandana Bazamilu sohlukanisa Uhluleka Abaphansi bavumile Ukuba sifanelene Thina sobabini Masikunye iyajabula Jabula
Now, Ujabu and I, we met when we were about 9 years old. And from that very moment, I knew that he was very, very special. There's always been a calm soul, a warm presence, a friend who would uplift you, support you, and push you to be and do better regardless of what it was. He always wanted the best for those he loves. And he has always been that person, and I know that's not going to change anytime soon. And then came Umahlati, the lady, the bride that we are celebrating today. And I remember when he first told me about her, to be honest, he didn't say much, but there was a certain light in his eyes, you know, whenever her name would come up. And that's when I knew, Vele, no, she's the one. She just has to be the one. Now, when I first met her, I thought she was overly serious, you know. Little did I know that she had this radiant personality that would just light up any room that she entered. Their love has stood the test of time over 10 years, and it's proven not only to me, but everybody out here today, that love is a real thing and it's possible. They've served as an inspiration.
Good afternoon, everybody. For those who haven't figured it out yet, I am Balasam Shia, the best friend. Yes, I'm the one who's probably responsible for half of Matlati's badness. Then in grade 10, Matlati asked me to attend the Willow Ridge Boyki with her. Why? Because the boy she liked was going to be there. And naturally, I went because Karatari. That's when I first met Jabu. Fun fact, Matlati had lost one of her contact lenses that night, and I had to hold her hand throughout the event. So when I finally met Jabu, I took it upon myself to tell him that just hold her hand. She's semi-blind right now. Jabu, from that moment, you became a part of our chaotic lives. By the way, I only found out after 3 years that Jabu's name is Jabu. I used to call him James. And let's be honest, you didn't have a choice, but you quickly accepted the fact that Matlati and I are like two peas in a very loud and crazy pond. I don't know how you survived it, but I applaud you.
Their love is defined by sacrifice and compromise. Meeting each other halfway, no matter what it takes. Whether it was Matlati traveling plus minus 60 kilometers every other weekend to make sure she sees her boo, or if it was Ujabu just making the promise that one day, just one day, he'll make an honest woman out of her. My brother, mission complete. I'm proud of you. Now, if I had to describe the relationship in just 3 words, they would be warm, bright, and unrelenting. Their love is one that endures and shines even in the darkest of times. And that will continue in spite of all that they face. We, as your friends and family, we are all lucky enough to witness it.
Now, Jabu, I have to say this, you owe me one. I've been the voice of reason many times because we both know how Tlati can be. But on a serious note, thank you for always being there for my friend. Thank you for always loving her. And thank you for extending her food palette, even if it's just a little. But most importantly, thank you for choosing her. To Matlati, my best friend, I want you to know that in 100 lifetimes, even in the next one, and in every single version of reality, I would find you and I would choose you because of the love that you've given me. You deserve the best. Just don't support Man United. It's not worth it. To both you, Jabu and Matlati, I want to leave you with this. I've got your backs. You already know this. But remember to center everything around God. Always be kind to each other. And when you have disagreements, do so with kindness.
Is to love each other more than you love yourselves. Listen to each other even when it seems like you're speaking completely different languages. And always, always show up for each other even in the toughest of times.
Consider each other's feelings, build your family with love, and always make time for fun, Here's to more laughs, love, and let's not forget money. I love you.
When I first saw you, I already knew there was something inside of you. Something I thought that I would never find. Angel of mine. I look at you, looking at me. Now I know why they say the best things are free. I'm gonna love you, girl, you are so fine. Angel of mine. How you changed my world, you never know. I'm different now, 'cause you helped me to grow. You came into my life, sent from above. When I lost all hope, you showed me love. I'm checking for you, girl, you're right on time. Angel of mine. Nothing means more to me than what we share. No one in the world could ever compare. Last night, the way you move is still on my mind. Angel of mine.
I'd like to thank you all for being here today, man. It really means the most to us, for me and Mahlatsi. I'd like to thank our family, our friends for being here today. I'd like to thank you guys for supporting me throughout my entire life. I'd like to thank Abu Masimini for hosting us today. This is a beautiful occasion. I'd like to thank them for raising this incredible woman that I now call my wife. Yes. And to my wife, I'm so grateful that you are by my side. You are my love, my best friend, my soulmate, and I will do anything in my power for you. And I wish us nothing but the best in the future. And I love you so much. Nah? Thank you.
Hi guys. Thank you everyone for coming. It means the absolute world to us. Thank you to my mom and dad for hosting us at their house. I'm sure my parents are happy that they don't have to spend money on me anymore. That's you now. I'm so grateful for my parents. If you know me, you know they always say girls are daddy's girls because I'm an only child. I'm incredibly close with my parents. So thank you so much, mom and dad. I'd like to thank them, Silas, for raising my husband over here. I've been in love with him since I was 17 years old. So he is my everything. I'm so thankful, Mama, for raising this incredible man that I'll love forever and ever and ever. I would like to say, everyone, please have fun, let's dance, let's laugh, and celebrate our love. Thank you, everyone.